How to fix audio quality on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Discord application. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Discord application. So go back to the home screen and all you have to do is just make a long press on the Discord application and then tap on App Info. Now as you tap on App Info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions. And as you tap on app permissions, you can just see different options over here. So just make sure that you have toggle on the microphone option, files and media, camera, contacts and other options by going to each options and giving the access. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.